Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly how to draw trend lines on Trading View. Okay. So you guys, when you are on Trading View, when you open your chart, you will choose in the list of pairs that you want to trade. In this channel, we do tend to focus more on GBP USD because GBP USD offers the best movements. But you can choose any pair. You can choose any pair to trade with. That is not a problem. But for this one, we are going to be using GBP USD. So to draw the perfect trend line, you guys, you need two touch points. Okay. So the best thing for me to draw the trend line with two touch points is definitely using my ray tool here. My ray tool, I can find one touch point there and I can look for a second around there. As you can see, I have my two touch points. Then the trend line just goes below, as you can see, just like that. Okay, so we're gonna put a downward trend line also, but this time we're gonna use a different tool. There is a trend line tool that you can also use, which is also effective, but I honestly prefer the ray because you can drag it for as long as you need it to go until you actually delete that trend line. So I'm going to take this point here and I'm going to also take this point right here. As you can see, a trend line um, tool just draws up until this point only. Now, when it comes to the ray, this one here that I used, let's just go to the 4 hours so you guys can see how far along. Let's go to the 1 week. So as you can see on the weekly chart, you guys, the ray trend line has gone even beyond. So if you are maybe analyzing a weekly chart or you are analyzing a monthly chart, you can just let this array trend line to just be there for as long as you need it, as long as it hasn't been intersected many times. You can just keep it there into your chart. You don't need to constantly change the chart or change the movements that keep happening on the trend line. So I definitely recommend you using the ray. This is the ray right here. And then you can just choose ray. And then your ray gives you that peace of mind of drawing that trend line because price guys always respect the trend line. You guys will see when it comes back into this trend line at a later date, it will move in a certain way to show that I'm trying to break out of this or I'm trying to break into it, something like that. They will have a sort of consolidation next to it. Let's go back to our 1 hour charts. Okay, so once we've done this, I am going to be showing you guys other multiple trend line draws that are there. Let's just go to our indicators. Our indicators also have trend line drawers. Just click on search and search for trend line. You can say trend line with breaks and add this indicator here. Voila, you guys, this indicator right here just draws all of the trend lines for you to make your life a lot easier. You don't even need to learn how to draw a trend line when you have this indicator. As you can see on this part right here, just close that so we can have space. As you can see, this breakout right here could have just put you in such a position that you made a whole lot of money on. because you would have got into there, put your stop loss right above maybe this candlestick that just broke this trend line here, and then it would have retraced a bit and continued down. And as you can see, it went down like crazy. Okay, let's try to look at other examples that could have given you um, wins or losses. Okay, so let's check this one. This one could have given you, it is a breakout. You could have made a little bit, a tiny bit of profit until it stopped you out again. So definitely could have been a bit of a loss when it comes to this one. This one could have been a beautiful win also. Beautiful breakout. And here also it's a beautiful breakout, closed above the trend line, retested a bit and went up. Wouldn't have been a huge win, but definitely a win. This breakout also, what a beautiful one here. And the pips that you could have gathered from just this trade with this um, free indicator that just draws the trend lines for you, and you can just relax and just put the indicator and let it help you win trades. Well, that's it, you guys. It is a very simple logic. Just draw trend lines using your own knowledge, or you can just put this indicator and it will honestly give you a far better chance at winning. Obviously, you guys, not every trade will win. Okay, you guys know that by now, that not every trade will be a winning trade. As long as you risk what you can afford to lose, and when you win, try to maximize as much as you can. That is it. And then just keep making money. Don't be too greedy. Keep making money, and the market is all yours, you guys. um yeah, that's all I wanted to say for today. It is a very short video that I intended on making for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on another one. Bye.